Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Sophie and in today's video I'm going to unbox and review the latest collaboration between Bershka and Bratz. So let's get into the video. So when I took a first look at the collection, I immediately spotted the joggers, the white joggers with rhinestones, and I think they look really cute, but I got similar ones a while ago, so I'm not going to order them. Then the 4 different crop tops. So we have one with Chloe, Jade, Jasmine and Sasha, and I think they look really cute, so I ordered 2 of them. Keep watching to find out which ones. So the following item is a tote bag, and if there's one thing I don't like, it's tote bags. Then the black denim shorts, ordered them, too cute. But if you look at the size guide, it's from extra small to large, which is just not done. And I always support Bershka because I do like their clothing, but making a size extra large is not that hard. The strappy dress is probably my favorite item from this collection, but I ordered it, so let's unbox this package. Let's go! So this is my package, and these are the items I ordered. So let's start with the shorts. Look at this, all the rhinestones. I really love it. I think it's like a holographic rhinestone, which I love. I don't know if you can see it, but I'm going to try it on real soon. I think it looks really cute. Oh, and it also comes with some extra rhinestones. The next item from the collab is this super cute shirt. It looks really tiny, but it's a crop top, so I ordered a size small. It's the Chloe top, and I really love the print, as I said. I think it looks really cute. I love it. This is the other one. This is the Jade shirt, crop top. And I really love the shade of blue. I think it looks really cute. So this is the tag from Bratz. I'm feeling 10 years old again. Welcome to the early 2000s, baby! I think it looks adorable. It's very fitted and it fits perfectly. It's not too tight. It's not oversized, but I didn't expect that because the early 2000s everything was very fitted and small. Then the last item, I'm so excited for this dress. It's the strappy dress and it looks like this. I think it's really cute. Yeah. It totally matches my aesthetic. So this is how it looks like. I think everything looks so cute and it really reminds me of the dresses I wore when I was little, and it's just so cute. I also got one item not from the collection, but it was so cute and I already have the white one. I'm going to post a picture right there, but this is the one in grey. I just love cute mini skirts and especially high-waisted, so this one is perfect for me. I feel like I'm 15 again and I'm only 22. Okay, so let's try this one on and yeah. So this is it. I hope you liked this video and let me know if you want to order something from the Bratz collection yourself. I would love to know that, and I see you again in another video. Bye bye!